Well, hello there, YouTube. It's Sunday, April 17th, 2022, and all I've got for you today is an update. I thought I was going to get my head here last week, but, I called him and he said he was running behind and I'll have it there by the end of the week, and, well, the end of the week came and went, so I don't have the heads. So I'm just waiting on one head. I think I have everything else ready to go. I'm waiting on a couple of parts, but they're not gonna slow me down, except for the main cam bearings, but they should be here. I went ahead and decided to replace those. You'll see as I do a future update. But what I did today is I decided to go ahead and clean wanted to pull the car out and rinse it all off because it was, really dusty and everything in here. And I've done the same thing inside of here as well. As you can see on top, I've got plastic here. I went ahead and did I removed all my tools. I took everything out of the garage and rinsed everything down because I don't want to have lint. I don't want to have anything floating around. I blew everything, all the rafter, everything in the room here. So it's just an update. But let's go ahead and see how I'm doing on my Tony Live account. We'll see if I have 87 subscribers. Wow. It's been like 2 days since I've checked my account. But 87, I think the last time was 78. So, wow. I mean, we're almost close to 100. You guys know that I'm trying to get to 100, so that way there, I think I get a unique URL or something where I can just say my username. And so people can find me a little bit easier. But I'm really ready to go on this. I'm going to take you for a quick little spin to show you what I've done using my phone. And then we'll come back to this. So let me just jump over to my phone and I'll take you on a little mobile because I don't have enough wires and everything to get out there and do that appropriately. So let's go ahead and switch over to the phone here. All right, so that's all the parts. Except for one head, right? Because I'm waiting on a head. This is a head. Right there, that's a head. These are all the cam caps, or I should say the main bearings. This thing here, not sure what that is. Let's just take a little look. Well, I can't. I got it all tied up and everything. But you can see I have everything labeled. This is a cam for one side. All right, these are all the cam caps and oil pump and just a mixture of everything and all the new parts that go with it. And so there's the car. It's got a cavity. All right. I can't wait to get that thing started, right? So then we got more parts here on the side of the house. I went ahead and put that, so that's for your shroud and your heat shields and your driven plate, and this one here is your balancer damper, and that's for the transmission. That's your mount, and exhaust manifolds are in there, and here's your exhaust system. That's that one I picked up, the new old stock, the whole exhaust I picked up, or I should say maybe from here up, either that or all of it. Genuine Mercedes. Could not believe I scored a new old stock on that. So that's really all I'm doing now. I'm going to go ahead and put the car back in, put all the parts back underneath the car, and then we'll just pull out a box as we need them. These are all the pistons. It's got the piston compressor. It's all ready to go. They're all cleaned up. They're all set. Everything's ready. All we have to do is install it, right? Look at how, doesn't that thing look like a mean thing when there's no engine in it? It sits up like a funny car. You guys, we gotta get this thing done, right? Gotta get it done. That's the goal. So again, there's the engine. The block. That's the only thing that is. Everything else is in the back of that truck on the side of the house. All right, so now you guys have seen what I do. Let's go ahead and switch back over to this main camera. There we are, you guys. So, you know, that's it. I'm going to turn off that video. And like I said, you know, that's what we're doing. There's the car. And we've got our plastic. I think we're all ready to go. So, all right. So, hey, thanks for, you know, joining me. I'm sorry I didn't have anything new to give you. There's really nothing I can give you. I want to start putting together videos now, you know, in an organized manner. So, you know, we start with the block, we clean the block, we put in the crank. We're going to go ahead and test clearances in the crank. We're going to go ahead and test end play, you know, and we'll get the crankshaft all put in. Then we'll put in the connecting rods and pistons and the heads. Well, let's see, the heads, and I think the cover goes next, right? The front and rear covers. Either way, we're going to get her done. So, hey, thanks for following me, you guys. Let's try to get to 100. We're real close, so can't wait. I don't know. Maybe then I have to wait. Maybe Google will make me wait. All right. Well, I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know what's going on. You know, I'm still working on it, and I'm already in here. I mean, I am ready. I'm just waiting for the phone call to say, Tony, come pick up your head. But I'll tell you, it's really difficult to find people these days. You know, they don't really teach this stuff in school. I had metal shop. I took machine shop, and I took wood shop and all that when I was in high school, but they don't have any of those things now. If you're not going to go to trade school, they're probably not going to happen. So there's slim pickings, you know, trying to find somebody who will even talk to you, right? So it's been 2 months, and it wasn't a lot of work, so for one head. Can you imagine? So, all right, you guys. Well, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Hopefully this thing comes in tomorrow, and I can kind of get started. I really want to start putting together these heads, right? Got to have the heads together before we can put that onto the engine block. So I think that's going to be one of the next ones we're going to be doing. So, all right, you guys. I will see you next time.